Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, students, in our online class, we have done the LP1 of Block 5. Okay. So, in our online class, we read a poem Silver, and we discussed the questions, practice question and worksheet in online class. But some students were not present in online class, so now we will discuss these topics again. Okay, so student, look at this is your poem. This is the poem Silver. Okay, this is the poem Silver. In this poem, Walter de la Mare is the writer of this poem. Okay, poet of this poem. So he was the famous writer. Okay, he was a famous poet, and he writes short stories, writer and novelist. Okay, before becoming a full time writer, he worked as a astronaut for 20 years. राइटर से पहले वो एस्ट्रोनॉट थे. So he and his wife had 4 children and they lived in London. वो उसके वाइफ और उसके 4 children थे, वो लंदन में रहते थे. So this is the introduction about the poet. So now let's start reading of the poem Silver. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks at night in his silver soon. This way and that she peers and seems silver fruit upon silver trees. So in this poem, the poet is talking about moon. तो स्लोली और साइलेंटली है मून, वो वॉक कर रहा है, और मून ने क्या वियर कर रखे हैं, सिल्वर शाइनी शूज़ वियर करके वो वॉक कर रहा है. सो वो जब वॉक कर रहा है तो रास्ते में क्या है, सिल्वर फ्रूट है जो कि सिल्वर ट्रीज के ऊपर लगे हुए हैं. वन बाय वन द केसमेंट कैच हर बीम्स बीनीथ द सिल्वरी थैच. थैच होता है एक स्ट्रॉ के साथ बना हुआ हाउस होता है. सो वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वन बाय वन केसमेंट होती है विंडो. सो विंडो से जो है वो सिल्वर लाइट उस थैच पे आ रही है. काउच इन हिज कैनल लाइक अ डॉग विद पाज ऑफ सिल्वर स्लिप्स द डॉग. सो डॉग हैं जो अपने कैनल में स्लीपिंग कर रहे हैं नाइट में, और जो उनके पाज हैं वो सिल्वर कलर हैं, सिल्वरी दिख रहे हैं. फ्रॉम देयर शैडो होम एंड वाइट ब्रिस्ट बीप ऑफ डो अ सिल्वर फैदर स्लीप. जो डोव है उसकी जो फैदर हैं वो कैसे दिख रही हैं, सिल्वर कलर की दिख रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द सनलाइट. अ हार्वेस्ट माउस गोज स्क्रिम्पिंग बाय विद सिल्वर क्लॉज एंड सिल्वर आइज. जो एक माउस है, हार्वेस्ट माउस जो है, उसकी जो आइज़ हैं वो सिल्वर कलर की दिख रही हैं, और उसके जो पैर हैं वो भी सिल्वर कलर के दिख रहे हैं. ओके, एंड मूव लेस फिश इन वाटर ग्लीम बाय सिल्वर रीड्स इन अ सिल्वर स्टीम. जो फिश हैं स्टीम के अंदर, स्टीम इज़ अ स्मॉल रिवर. ओके, स्टीम के अंदर जो फिश हैं वो भी सिल्वर कलर की दिख रही है. सो ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स लुक सिल्वर बिकॉज ऑफ द सनलाइट, बिकॉज ऑफ द मूनलाइट, because the moon is looking silver. So students, in this poem the moon has a human characteristics. Human walk करते हैं, तो इसलिए जो moon है वो भी walk कर रहा है. So students, can you tell me what did you see when you read the lines? So when we read the lines, we saw many animals and things. Okay, like animals like dog, okay, fish, and things like casements and thatch. So I hope it is clear to you. Next one, tell me which descriptions are real in the poem and which are imaginary. So the moon, the dog, the animals and things are real, and moon is also real, but the moon wears shiny shoes and the moon is walking are imaginary. Next one, which has the human characteristics. So in this poem, moon has a human characteristics like human walk. So moon, in this poem the moon is walking. So I hope this poem is clear to you. Next one, now let's look at this worksheet. We will talk about this worksheet. Imagines in a poem. So there is question 1, what image comes to your mind when you read these lines from the poem Silver? So A, first there are two lines. Couched in his kennel like a dog, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. So in this poem, in these lines, you have to write down, the dog is sleeping in his kennel at night. His paws are shining as moon. His paws are shining because of moonlight. I hope it is clear to you. Next line for B part. From their shadowy home, the white breeds peep of doves in a silver feathered sleep. So in these line, the poet is talking. In this line, the poet is talking about the dove. So the doves are white in color and are sleeping in a shadowy place. They looks beautiful in moonlight. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is question 2. Give an example of real description and one of the imaginary descriptions from the poem. Silver. So real, you have to write down the real description. What is the real description? The dog is sleeping in his kennel. So this is real. And imaginary, the moon is looking here and there as it is walking in its silver shoes. और या फिर यहाँ पे ये भी राइट कर सकते हो, द मून इज़ वॉकिंग विद सिल्वर शूज, दैट इज़ इमेजिनरी. आई होप क्वेश्चन 2 इज़ क्लियर टू यू. देयर इज क्वेश्चन 3. लुक एट द इमेजेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. राइट ए सेंटेंस गिवन इट ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. One has been done for you. So there is an alarm. First in alarm clock. So the alarm clock screamed at me to wake up. कि वो चिल्ला रही है कि woke up. Okay. Next one is there is a kite. So you have to write down the sentence. The kite was smiling at me from the sky. The kite was smiling at me from the sky. कि वो मेरे smile कर रही है. So now I hope this worksheet is clear to you. Next one. Move on the practice questions. These are the practice question of block 5 lesson 1. Now let's do these practice question. Now let's discuss these practice question. First one, what image come in your mind when you read these lines? So here are two lines. A harvest mouse goes scrumping by with silver claws and silver eyes. So you have to write down in your notebook the image of a small mouse running mischievously around crops comes to mind. या फिर आप ये राइट कर सकते हो, the image of a small mouse comes to mind as it is night. The moon's claws and eyes are shining like silver under moon's rays. So I repeat it again. The image of a small mouse comes to mind as it is night. The moon's claws and eyes are shining like silver under moon's rays. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is question 2. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks at the night in his silver shoe. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon the silver trees. So these are the lines and here are a question. What do you understand by these lines? So you have to write down. We understand by these lines that the moon is slowly and silently walking at the night. I hope it is clear to you. There is B part. What does silver shoe means? So it means that the moon is shining in the night like silver. I hope it is clear to you. Next one, third question. Look at the image and write a sentence given it human characteristics. So there is a flower. So you have to write down the flower was sad because it didn't get any water. या फिर आप यहाँ आपको स्माइल करता हुआ दिख रहा है तो you have to write down the flower was happy because everyone watered it. Okay. So I hope these practice questions are clear to you. So student, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. After that you have to do this worksheet for 5.1 and these practice questions.